Today, we're going to discuss how to subtract binary numbers. Let's start with the basic. So, when we subtract 1 minus 0, then simply the answer is 1. Next is when we subtract 1 minus 1, and it will give us 0. And then how about this? 3 bits minus 1. So the solution for here is we will cross out 1 and 1 becomes 0 because um, 1 distributed to 0. So the 0 becomes 2. So 2 minus 1 equals 1. And bring down the numbers ahead. To check this, I I translate it to decimal numbers. So first given is 6 and the second given is 1. So the answer is 5. So when we check the answer is 1, 2, 4. So 1 plus 4 equals to 5. So I have examples here. So first example are these. So 101,100 minus 011. So the first step to do is to the 1 becomes 0 and the 0 becomes 2, but it gives 1 0. Next, the 2 will cross out because the in the right is 0 2. So the 0 it becomes 1 and the other 0 it becomes 2. So to calculate it, 1, 2 minus 1 equals to 1. 1 minus 1 equals to 0. 1 minus 0 equals to 0 and bring down the, the, the graph. Next, to check this, so I convert it to decimal. The first given would be 44. The second one is 3. So when we subtract it, the answer will be 41. So this is the conversion on bits. So 1 plus 8 plus 32 would. So the next example is 1 is the. Okay. So the first given is 11010011 minus 100 11100. So the solution here is 1 minus 0 equals to 1. 1 minus 0 equals to 1. So you see that two zeros ahead of 1. So to calculate it, 1 becomes 0 because it distributes 1 to 0. So the 0 becomes 2. But in the right of 0 is 0, 2. So the 2 becomes 1 and the 0 becomes 2. So 2 minus 1 equals to 0 and 1 minus 1 equals to 0. So the next is we see that the carrying out is 0. So we need again a distribute. So 1 becomes 0 and the 0 becomes 2. But in the right is 0, 2. So we cancel out 2. So it becomes 1 and the 0 becomes 2. So we can solve it. 2 minus 1 equals to 1. 1 minus 0 equals to 1. 0 minus 0 equals to 0. And 1 minus 1 equals to 0. So to check it, we convert it to the bits. 8 each. So I convert it to decimal. So the first given is 211 and the next one is 156. So the answer is 55. Thank you. Thank you for listening and thank you.